Yeah, I am live again. I do not know. I normally do not do weekly streams, but these last couple weeks are an exception because I did a stream last week and it kind of went bad. So yeah, we're trying this again. So far we have nothing, absolutely nothing. But I just need to see if I can. Oh, I'm actually getting something. Getting something on my capture card here, but it's not really what I want from my capture save. Not really what I want from my capture card. Let's just see if I can maybe do that. There we go. So let's turn the computer on. If you can't see the computer's post, then, well, it's just because the computer I'm using does not really like displaying it. Huh. Why is it booting up into Windows? This computer. And it's not, and nothing's showing in the. Yep, this is working. So I got the capture working. This is already not going off to a good start. So let's. Did I flash it correctly? It even show? No, it doesn't. So, just gonna do this just to. I just downgraded. Oh my gosh. Yes. Alright, what does this even say? I just downgraded my real Windows 11 into Windows 10, keeping all my data. Nice. We're loading up. Should actually work. Oh, okay, it's working. It's working. Haven't done a stream with my capture card in a while, so I'm just glad to see that everything works. Alright, we are currently copying the root FS image into RAM. That's the way to go, more stable. Okay. Who is in this chat? Okay, it's just you two. Yup, everything appears to be working so far. I think it just beeped from the computer speaker, not actually, because I did not see my, welcome to Arch Linux. So I am going to be completely wiping Windows 11 from this. It was all because I upgraded my CPU, so Windows put the activate Windows, I am not saying that word, on my PC, so I decided to do my own thing. Yeah, just wondering why I didn't say that word. I want to keep the stream 100% family friendly. We have just whatever we're in. So I just need to pull up the Arch Linux install guide on my other monitor, as I do not know how to install Arch Linux off by heart. Might be a while before I do. I know that this is okay, so it's load keys. Actually, I'll actually just shove this over here. Load keys UK. Hey, we got that working. Okay, I know it's in UEFI. IWCTL. Okay, so station. I put station. Station. WLAN 0. Connect. And I will have to just to not show my Wi-Fi name. 5 gigahertz. I can't type at an angle. There we go. Okay, there we go. That's a bit better. Nice. So we're connected. Clear. Ping. Let's just ping somewhere local just to see if I am actually on this network. I am actually on this network. Let's see if I can ping. So, what does this even say? Sorry, lol. Nobody does. Lol. No, bro, please. I'm trying to hack. Anyway, moving on. Arch Linux install guide. We're good. Time, date, CTL. This thing is an hour behind, but I don't really care. I'm in a different time zone to this. I'm in BST, that's in UTC, so of course it's an hour behind. And I'm not really bothered to set the time right now. Doesn't really matter anyway. cfdisk/dev/sda. Yup. Alright. So I'm going to delete these partitions because it's Windows. Alright, now we have this. 1G. Okay, type EFI system new 36G. Yup. Right. Yup. Quit. There we go. And just doing a little quick check. I didn't do swap because I don't normally do swap. It just takes up space on my drive. If I can, I'll just have swap in a file. Format partitions. Make fs.ext4/dev/sda2. SDA3 as well. Discard. Oh, yeah, that took a little while. Make fs.fat-f32/dev/sda1. Boom. Don't know why I said that. Anyway, mounting. Mount/dev/sda2/mnt /boot. Make the same with SDA3, except this needs to be home without a capital H. There we go. Alright, what do I even need to install? Alright, pack strap -k. I might actually need to move the laptop. Base Linux firmware. Intel U code, because this is an Intel computer. IWD, DHCP CD, and what else? Nano. Sudo grub EFI boot MGR. Enter. This is all the packages that we need to make sure to install grub and EFI boot manager and a text editor. I already did. I'm already installing everything I need so that I don't have to install more stuff later. We did it. Are you actually following me in this? Because are you actually following me, or are you just making a log of what I do? Wow. Yeah, Linux firmware takes a little while to install. I seriously had to wait like 15 minutes for this one time. In a video of mine, it was installing Arch Linux outside, and yeah, that was actually a good video. One of my favorites. Installing the kernel. Speaking of the kernel, have I updated my kernel? Oh. 6.9.7. I think I'm on the latest version. Pacman-SYU. I've already done. Oh. Oh, no. Did not mean to do that. Just looking at some stuff off camera here and just at my terminal. Oh. To do an update while I was live, and that caused the entire stream to freeze. Watch my previous stream if you want to figure out. I ran Pac-Man SYU off camera, and that just caused everything to mess up. The stream was frozen for a good couple minutes. Anyway. In what I'm doing from the laptop screen and my OBS to the actual stream, because I have the actual stream. Updated. F5. I look good. Just a laptop over there was not, it's not really doing what it was supposed to be honest. Moving on. F-stab. Oh. Jan, I cannot type today. Jan F stab dash U dash MNT dash MNT slash ATC slash F stab. If I did everything right, should be in here. Alright, perfect. LN dash SSF slash user slash share slash zone info slash Europe London slash etc slash local time. Enter. HW clock sys TOHC. Oh, I need to do the there we go. The command assumes the hardware clock is set to UCC, which it is. Generation complete. Dot UTF-8. Things quickly and not really talk that much because it kind of ruins my speed, to be honest, and ruins my sort of efficiency. This laptop that I just put in, no. There we go. Grub install. Do I remember the command? EFI directory equals slash boot dash bootloader dash ID equals Arch Linux. How do I even do this again? I need to check. Grub equals factory wrong. D. There we go. I just see these sort of Linux distributions are the installation are very prone to human error. Control D, umount-r/mnt. Reboot. Zip, we're rebooting. I don't even know I don't even know what I'm doing, so Control Alt Delete. I'm gonna rip out the USB stick. I forgot something. I definitely forgot something. Yep, Control Alt Delete works. There we go. Yeah, I forgot to just realised I forgot to make a grub config. Participants, stream health, stream is healthy. Okay. How long have I been live? Okay, we are gonna just do it. It's not even how you do it. Installing Arch and messing up grub. There we go. That's good. That's good. So we're in mount/dev/sda2/mnt sda1/mnt/boot arch chroot/mnt grub make config-o/boot/grub/grub.cfg. This just because I don't. No. Control Alt Delete. Okay, we have an actual grub configuration. I am now happy. Root sudo, and I actually need to load up Hyprland. Here we go. Hyprland. How do I install it? Install. Packages, Arch. Sudo. Pacman-s. It's just Hyprland. Yep. Oh, yep. I messed up. So, IWD. IWCTL. Waiting for IWD to start. System CTL enable dash now IWD. I think that's it. Enable DHCP CD just in case I need to use Ethernet. Alright. Do this again. Station WLAN 0 connect. There we go. Alright, connected. Let's try this again. Yup. And there we go. No longer messed up grub, so now we're installing Hyprland on Arch. There we go. outside. If you're gonna hear slight wind noises, then that's just because of the fact that it's windy. 5 packages. Yeah, that's actually not that bad. And also, I just threw the USB stick. Now I have to go get that. Might as well just tidy up the floor while I'm here. Need this. Hyprland installation. Just gotta pick up this one last little USB, and then I gotta and then change the text. Alright, let's just see if Hyprland even launches to begin with. I am really stupid. Oh! Wait. Can you even see that? Oh, I know you can. Go this side. Oh! Okay. I guess I am really stupid because the error messages is just squares. So, does M get out of it? Okay. User add whale tech 07. Pass WD. No. Tech 07. AA. Nano, etc, sudo was sudo ers. There we go. This file must be edited with the vi sudo command as root. I do not care, as I like to live on the edge. Reboot. KDE Plasma. And the capture, the capture is not provided. Okay, there we go. It's now providing an output. So, oh no. Nope. That. Sudo ch own whale tech 07 dot. There we go. Chmod 777 dot. There we go. I did it. So now, Hyprland. starting to get a little bit confused, as this is the exact same error where Hyprland literally just locks up. This is the exact same error that I was experiencing in that virtual machine. Check something. Come on, boot up. There we go. Now, let's see if I can sudo pacman-s kitty. Because I don't have kitty. Configuring Hyprland. Nano. Okay. So I actually need to make that a more permanent solution, but this is just a throwaway installation anyway. So it is nano the .config hyprland.conf. Remove this line to remove the warning. Okay. Our programs. So we got file manager as Dolphin. UK. Okay. Graphical, you know, some graphical glitches. There we go. Let's see. Maybe it's because of that keyboard layout that I put in. I'm not sure. I'm just going to set it back to the American. Hey, no errors. But Wayland, nothing works. Huh. Then. Way that I have gotten this to work. Come on, just let me exit this program. Fine. I'm gonna turn it off, turn it back on. Turn it back on. I have another plan. And that plan is to install Plasma, then load up Hyprland. That worked for me before. And that seems like a really stupid idea. Might not work, but sudo pacman-s Plasma. 2. We are installing Plasma. Can I actually... I can find. Silent all the time. It's just I don't really have anything to say, really. How long was the old stream? How long was the other stream? Like 40-ish minutes. Yep, 44 minutes. So yeah, we got further on this stream than we got in the other stream, and I messed up a lot on the other stream as well. So yeah, that's that. I have nothing else to say really. I guess I'll just wait for this to finish. Okay. Alright. Session. We can either have Hyprland, Plasma with Wayland, or Plasma with X. 11. I think we're just going to start with Hyprland. Okay. Good so far. I think I can literally just drag it. I think I can just drag it along. Batch. Type. Here we go. Yes. 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 Now, if there is actually a way to duplicate monitors here really quick, I'm just going to leave you with a little offline page while I do some Googling. Alright, so I don't think I can even get this working, because, don't even think I can get this working. I've tried messing around and mucking around with configurations. I'll even just set that to 1 and makes everything bigger. Still doesn't even work. So it says invalid syntax at 1. Whatever, let's customize this. So, yeah, and that's the error I'm getting, for anyone wondering. It's the error I'm getting. So, kill all, K, right. There we go. I'm also just going to drag this over here. So now, I can barely read this. Sudo pacman-s waybar. Yup. Oh. Okay, nice. Got a nice. I don't even know what I'm doing, but we got a nice little bar, which is actually kind of nice. We can buttons apparently. I can actually do this. Windows Q. Drag you over here. I'm trying this once more. Just gonna shut this door. That was loud. Okay. Just whatever. We got a Hyprland bar. Can I even just revert this completely? Okay. Even revert this completely. Come on, scroll down. Let me see my monitor configuration. So let's just start with the internal monitor. So it's good. Oh. Someone's not been in chat for a little while now, actually. So it's nice to actually see somebody in. Somebody liked. It says that somebody liked in my thing here. Yeah, someone actually liked. Thanks. If configurations to try and get monitors mirrored. I've been streaming for nearly an hour now. I kind of want to wrap this up soon. So I actually did it! On my last attempt, I actually did it! Well, let's just see if I can change the scaling up, because this is actually a bit small. There we go. That looks a little bit better. That might be a bit too big. Yeah. Thumbs up emoji. It's actually a bit big. So, where is the line? There's the line. Can I do decimals? Let's see if I can actually do decimals. 1.5. Okay, there we go. So, let's see if we can get out of Hyprland and then get back in it. Oh, something's wrong. Something is actually wrong. It's showing up fine in the... It's showing up fine on the capture. Not on the capture, on the actual monitor. The internal display. Right, we're re-hooking this up. I'm going to now re-plug it. hold on. This is, OMG, I see videos you have installed all famous Linux OS on laptop. Well, we got Hyprland working, so that's something. So yeah, we're installing Arch. I'm also going to change this text here. Got the monitors mirrored. Documentation. It's a bit big. Just follow the documentation. Yeah, the documentation is actually really handy. So let's see what we got here. We got Arch Linux on a HP laptop with kernel 6.9.7. Uptime, like half an hour. Seriously, like half of the stream this computer's been up. Window Manager, Hyprland, Wayland, Cursor, yep, all good. So, what was I doing again? Oh yeah. Waybar. Nice. We got a nice little waybar. I don't even know what that button even does. Just the icons are not there. Alright, we are looking good with our CPU temperature. My network appears to be... Yup, that is my actual IP address. See if I can actually... I just got a really bad idea. See if we can just get you out and go. Yep, there we go. Sudo. I know this is not really IP config. Yup, this is my IP 192.168.0.15, and I just had a really bad idea. Package and all. Oh, okay, there we go. I just need to install Apache. There we go. So, let's just add a window capture here, just to my Firefox. There we go. HTTPS, that's probably why, because this is just HTTP. Alright, we got a web server. I know this is completely off the scope of this stream, but we got a web server. I will work on this later. Maybe no! Okay, moving on. So we got a waybar. I think it actually needs proper icons. How do I get the icons for this? Just doing another little bit of Googling. You need to install that. Okay, then I'll install that. From a GitHub issue. Waybar. Alright, now we got icons. Don't even know what any of this. So we have, now I can actually see what this all really is. So we got 40% volume. Let's see if we can do that. AUV control. If I'm even typing that right. No, it's UAV. No? Check what it actually PAU. PUA. P. PAVU. AVU. I never remember that. I've done a lot of stuff. And seriously, like 15 minutes of the stream was trying to figure out how to mirror, but I just realised. Just follow the documentation and you're good. So yeah, now we got this. And if I click this, establishing connection, we got this here. Can I... No, I literally just killed Hyprland. Okay. That /.config hyprland.conf. Now let's actually see. So monitors. My programs auto start. Exec once. We just want to go exec once. Waybar and Kitty. Save it. Great, bro, you do it. Taking my time and actually using Hyprland and messing with the config. Let's log in. And we got our Kitty. We got our that. We got our every... I don't even know what that is. But anyway. Alacrity. Now I have an actual... I actually use Alacrity, and my actual Alacrity config file is somewhere. I don't know where. Show hidden files. I'm doing this on my actual PC, by the way. It must be in config. Not Audacity, Alacrity. Googling today because... Okay. Googling because I have no idea what I am even doing. Oh, alacrity.toml. Is that it? Yup. Alacrity.toml is it. So, can I actually... Let's see how I can actually do this. I'm going to try with netcat. I do not know. I don't really know what I'm doing with netcat, but... NC... I'm just going to... No. NC-help. HELP. NC. Okay, so it says to... Local port number. So it says to connect to somewhere. Alright, so let's see if we can cat alacrity.toml, and then we pipe it into NC 192.168.0.15 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sudo pacman-s netcat. Not natcat, netcat. I want GNU netcat. Right now, let's send it over. Control C. ls-a. Cat alacrity.toml. alacrity.toml. Huh? I actually have. Alright, so NC-L1234. Alright, we're listening. Just sent it over. It's not really working. It's not really working. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I have another idea. FTP. That might actually kind of work though. If I have Dolphin, then that will definitely work. Alright, the alacrity.toml is on my network share, or FTP share, or whatever it is. So it is. Dolphin, I don't have. Just to say I have no idea what I'm doing. Windows E. There we go. Network. Now, let's try an SMB. Because I am much more familiar. Not really familiar, but I have used SMB a lot. So let's see. SMB. Whale PC. Shared. We're in. Yeah, and these are just all my shared files across the network. I really need to clean it up. So, show hidden files. Alacrity.toml. Yup. Copy. Put it in there. Overwrite. There we go. Yes! Yes! Now, okay then. I actually have no idea what I'm doing, really. So it's that to open. Let's see if I can actually. Nano. Hashtag key. Oh, what the hashtag key is on this keyboard. Unbound key. Oh, yep, there we go. I found the hashtag key. It's because this is set to an American keyboard layout and I'm using a British keyboard layout. So it's that /bin bash. I don't even think I'm doing this right, but let's just see. Kwrite. It /hyper alas hyper conf Alright, now I have an easier way to change this. So, how do I kill the current window? Let me check. So it's Windows and C. Okay, so terminal should be actually that. Okay, here we go. Alacrity. Windows are. Girl/anime girl background. Okay, let's see if I can change this keyboard layout. Hey, there we go. Just had to fix it. Just had to fix the keyboard. Anyway, how do I do this? So it's does nothing. Okay then. Save it. So let's actually try this. Okay, I actually did it. I think this is a good spot to end the stream. We've got Waybar up and running. It took me 15 minutes to figure out how to mirror monitors, but in reality it was just in the documentation all along, and that really caused the stream to go up in length. I'm also going to fix this text. I know, I'm just going to put wrapping up stream now. Neo fetch. I'm using fast fetch, but whatever. So unless anyone in the chat has anything to say, I am basically done here. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the stream, leave a like. If you have something to say, leave a comment. Well, you can't really leave a comment right now because I'm live, but after the stream's over, leave a comment. And if you want to see more, subscribe. And I will see you guys, hopefully, in a video on Tuesday. Anything to say, I will give you some time to let you say what you want to say. In the meantime, I will attempt to... Okay, bro. I will attempt to just turn this off. System CTL. Power off. There we go. We're shutting it down. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the stream, leave a like once I'm done. If you have something to say, leave a comment. Or right now, just chat in the live chat if you can. And if you want to see more, then subscribe. And I have a video coming on Tuesday if you want to watch that. It's about React OS. I have my videos planned. So yeah, if you want to do anything, just do what I said. And I will see you in my next upload. Hopefully on Tuesday. Bye!